How to change the keyboard background on your phone. First, everyone will go to the Play Store. Download the Gboard, the Google Keyboard app. Select Install. After downloading, open the app. Select Enable in Settings. Turn on the Gboard option. Select OK. Go back to the previous step. Select Input Method. Select Gboard. Select Done. Select Theme. There are many keyboard background styles here for you to choose from. Or you can use your own photo as the keyboard background on your phone. Go to My Theme. Select a wallpaper. Select Next. Adjust the transparency. Select Done. That's it. This is how you can change the keyboard background on your phone.